Okay. So goes to file, import fbx. Okay. Select your character. So this is our characters. Import. Okay. So after import, because of this one adjustment, so it will be have issue. Okay, when we do the animation. So this one drag out, this one drag out, this one drag out, this one drag out. Okay, this one drag out. Okay, this one no need. So hair drag out, shoe drag out, shoe drag out, shoe drag out, and drag out everything. Delete all of this unless the code, so delete this, all the empty alignment here. Okay, so you'll notice that all your things will be messed up. So this one is 90, and this one, the scaling, it will be this one, because based on our code alignment, our code is this one. Okay. 诶，这样我可以不可以只改 code 罢了？这样我就不用改其他的。Never mind. Okay, so this one 90, this, this, okay, this, this, 90, so make sure all is changed, okay. This one is 90, this one 90, this one 0.001. Okay, same thing, this one 90, this one 0.01. Okay, so make sure you double check again, so all the alignments are okay, the size will be the same. Okay, so all of these you put inside the collection. Okay, goes to your collection, object mode, add this one, amateurs, rigify, basic humans. Okay, so now you go to the edit mode, on your mirror. Okay, so now you put it, press G to move it. Okay, press G, must be put it inside, so you can turn and see. This one is not inside, go inside. This one is here, this one is here. Okay, turn again and check it. Okay, so this one is still outside, so we can put it inside. This one put inside. Yao Ming, okay, put inside. Put inside. This one put inside. Okay. Hey, where is my hair? I accidentally delete already. Never mind. No hair botak, girls. Shoe also missing already. Never mind lah. Okay, now you press the numpad to check lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and you have Why my why this one is here? So move it. Okay. Auto is much more easier, right? Okay. So try So you select all the masses here. Select all the masses. See? Okay, last you select this one. Okay, so like this. Make sure you goes to object mode. Control P with automatic wait. Okay. So now goes to your pose mode and rotate and see. Okay, now you see. Okay, can Okay, so means that you buy successfully already. So check your hand. Okay, this one success. Okay, this one also can. Okay, so then you open your animation here, your animation tab. Go up here, you adjust a bit. Okay, so this one to paint it. So shift and your middle mouse. Scroll, shift middle mouse. Okay, then you click your middle mouse to move it, to rotate it. Okay, scroll to zoom it. This one, you zoom it. Okay, so now you do your animation. You select the bond. Okay, so you see insert the keyframe. Okay, then you go to 20 seconds, for example. Okay, so you select the bone. Okay, you move, rotate like this. Okay, then you press the I to key in the keyframe. Then, okay, I do this motion. Yeah, sorry. So I goes to 30, for example. I move down. Okay, press I to key in. So now you have a rotation like this. Okay. Okay, you can click the to click the record button. Okay. Then you do this one. Okay, 0. You press I to key in the keyframe. Okay, and then this one. Okay, to rotate. Okay, and then you go this one. Rotate. Okay. So now, okay, you try to see. Then your animation done already. Okay. So same thing when you do exporting for your FBX, must be FBX because FBX can contain the animation file. So FBX, and then remembers that you have the animation is checked here. Okay, then you export your FBX, then you have the hand waveform, for example. Okay, you export your FBX. So now done already for animation file. Okay, later we'll put it in our game engine.